Hello there guys and welcome to FTMO. My name is Nelle and I'm here giving you the tools and resources to manage your trading psychology on fire. So today's video is all about FOMO. Yeah, you hear right, FOMO, the fear of missing out. And more importantly, how you can overcome the fear of missing out to improve your trading. So the FOMO, or fear of missing out, has become a pretty common issue with a lot of traders and in fact in day-to-day life as well. It has been reported that more than 60% of millennials are affected by fear of missing out in some aspect of their lives. I mean, look around us. We live in a modern age of social media, which gives us unprecedented access to the lives of others. So FOMO is not a rare issue. But well, let's address the concept of FOMO. Let's talk about what it is, how to know if you are a FOMO trader, and how to overcome it, and finally, become disciplined. You've probably already heard about FOMO, but maybe you don't know exactly what it means. So the FOMO in trading is the fear of missing out on a big opportunity in the markets, and trust me, it is a pretty common phenomenon. It doesn't really matter if you are a beginner or a professional trader, FOMO can affect everyone. It stems from the feeling that other traders are more successful, and it can cause overly high expectations, a lack of long-term perspective, overconfidence, or too little confidence, and unwillingness to wait. The FOMO trader tends to enter trades without enough thought, or closing trades at bad moments, because it's what others seem to be doing. There is the need to follow the herd with a lack of research or lack of self-confidence. And emotions are often a key driving force behind FOMO. So if you leave them unchecked, they can lead you to neglect trading plans and exceed comfortable levels of risk. FOMO is an internal feeling, but one that can be caused by a range of situations. Some of the external factors that could lead to a trader experiencing FOMO are volatile markets. Yeah, it can creep into our psyche when there is market movement in any direction. No one wants to miss out on a great opportunity, right? Big winning streaks. Do you remember how I was mentioning overconfidence? Yeah, winning streaks don't last forever. Stay humble. Repetitive losses. Traders can end up in a vicious cycle, entering a position, getting scared, closing out, then re-entering another trade, as anxiety and disappointment arise about not holding out. This can eventually lead to bigger losses. And then we got here news, rumors, and social media. Be careful what and who you will let influence what you think and what you know. Don't take social media content at face value. Take your time, do your own research, evaluate every single piece of information. So what are the main differences between FOMO trading and disciplined trading? A disciplined trader has a plan, does his research, does his analysis, sets a comfortable risk-to-reward ratio, uses sensible stop-loss, and take profit levels. He or she follows a plan, keeps log, and achieves their trading goals. And FOMO trader reacts compulsively, jumps on trends, takes opinion as fact, and follows the rumors. Then he or she considers the upside and maximizes exposure. He gets into an uncomfortable situation because he enters a risky position and then panics, closes out, and does it again and again because he doesn't have a plan. And even though when he has some, he doesn't stick with it. He doesn't keep a log, and for all these mentioned reasons, FOMO takes over. But how to overcome it? If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I mentioned several times how important self-awareness is. And I'm gonna mention that once again. related to FOMO, because greater self-awareness is one of those components which can prevent your FOMO. Be self-aware, know who you are and which strategy suits you the best. Understand the importance of discipline and risk management in trading. Concentrate on yourself, on your strategy. Do your own research. You are unique. Your way to success is unique. Let others blindly follow some tweets and you stay on your path. Patient and calm. If you see others to be very successful, take it as an inspiration. You can be also successful in your unique way. We are always missing something. For example, forex traders might be missing out on a big gain in crypto. What matters is knowing your expectancy. You can trade trades that are not a part of your system, but don't expect it as the sort of setup that will make your money. Do it out of curiosity, so you can see if such trades fit your style and risk appetite. Have a separate and small account for such kinds of trades. And what works for others doesn't necessarily have to work for you. That is the key to understand what is best for you. If you believe in yourself, if you are self-aware and you have a plan, you will be fine. When you have self-knowledge, you are naturally calm and poised. Stick to your trading plan, do your research, and keep a trading journal. Be patient, disciplined, and confident. And if you think you are unable to overcome FOMO anyway, contact FTMO Performance Coach, which will help you for sure. And remember, what comes easy won't last, and what lasts won't come easy. Believe that even if you don't win today, sooner or later, your win will come. Market opportunities will always be here for your next trade. Patience is the key. Have you been struggling with FOMO? How do you deal with it? Please let us know in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed it, leave this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all socials, but in the meantime, I will catch you all later. Thank you for watching, guys, and bye!